Now, can you see that this zipper stopped here? This is another part of a zipper. We have the hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Splendor, and in today's video we'll be talking about everything about a zipper. All right, a lot of us see zippers every day, but we really don't know some facts about a zipper. So this video is just to share some knowledge about zippers, just for information's sake. Okay, today is not going to be a tutorial per se, it's just going to be an informative video to tell us about everything about a zipper. Please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. I promise you it is very informative. All right, kindly hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Kindly turn on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And if you haven't shared my video before with your family and friends, please help us by sharing this video, and also like and make comments on our video. So without further ado, let's get right started. All right, so these zippers are divided into two. We have the open end zipper, and then we have the now an open end zipper are zippers that have stoppers at the end. With this, the zipper pull cannot pass through. Okay, this is an example of a closed end zipper. This zipper has a metal, as you can see, it has a metal stopper at the other end. So it has a metal stopper at the other end, like you can see. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. So this is an example of a closed end zipper. All right, most of the time these closed end zippers are used for skirts, they are used for pants, or any garment that the zipper does not have to pass through. Okay, so these are examples of a closed end zipper. Now, the invisible zipper is also an example of a closed end zipper. The difference is that the invisible zipper does not have a metal stopper at the end like this other one. This has a glue instead. Can you see? This has a glue instead. Okay, it does not have a metal stopper like this one. All right, so I can just let me just open this through so you guys can see. So can you see it has stopped? So the glue at the end is the stopper for an invisible zipper. I'm sure the producers of this invisible zipper wants it to be as light and slim as much as possible. All right, so that is why they do not have the metal stopper on them. Okay, so I haven't spoken about the closed end zipper. We're talking about the separating zipper. Now, these are examples of a separating zipper. A separating zipper is a zipper that you can pull through. Okay, that you can use the zipper pull to pull through. Let me just open this one for you guys to see. So this is an example of a separating zipper. You can separate each side of the zipper. Can you see? So by the time you want to fix it, you just put this. Can you see? So this is an example of a separating zipper. Separating zippers also have stoppers, okay, but the difference is this stopper serves as the part where you can put in the second part of this zipper to be able to pull it through successfully. However, it also serves as a stopper. I almost forgot to tell you guys something. For a separating zipper, we have the insertion pin. You can serve, I usually call it a stopper too, because the zipper head cannot pass through. It usually stops there. Okay, but you can call it a retainer box, or yes, a retainer box is preferable. And then this is an insertion pin. So you insert the insertion pin into the retainer box before you be able to pull the slider body or the zipper head through. You insert the insertion pin into the retainer box, and then you use the pull to pull the zipper head or slider body. So this is it for the separating zipper. All right, just the way we have a metal stopper at the end here. We have a top stopper at the upper part of the zipper. For example, this one as well. Can you see two tiny metals here? So this is the top stopper, and then this is the bottom stopper. Now these pull-through zippers are usually used for jackets and coats. This type of zipper open up all the way through. Now you can get them in metal teeth or in nylon. All right, this is an example of a metal teeth. Can you see? This is an example of a metal teeth. This stuff you can see here, this is what we refer to as the teeth. So this one is a metal teeth. If you open it through, can you see it separating, and then this stuff is metal. All right, and then we can also get them in nylon. All right, can you see this one is also nylon? It's also a pull through. Now, after talking about the types of zipper, like we said, we have the closed end zipper and we have the separating zipper. The closed end zipper has a stopper. You cannot open the zip through. It has a stopper, a metal stopper, or it can be glued at the end. All right, while the open or the separating zipper, you can open it through. Those are the two classes of zipper. Now, having spoken about the classes, I'll go straight ahead to talk about the parts of the zipper. All right, we have the zipper teeth. Now, these are the little tiny things that clicks together to form the zipper. All right, this tiny stuff you can see here, this tiny stuff, these are the zipper teeth. We have them in metal, we have them in nylon. Can you see? This is the regular nylon or polyester coil zipper. Now, if I open this through, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see something like coils around the zipper teeth? So that is why it is called the polyester coil zipper. All right. So we also have the classic plastic, but I do not have that here with me, but I'm going to show you guys a picture of it on the screen. That is also some type of zipper teeth. Now, invisible zipper look like the nylon coil zipper from the back. Okay, now this is an example of this is also an example of the nylon coil zipper. If you look closely, you can see something that looks like a coil around the zipper teeth. Now look at the invisible zipper. Now this is the invisible zipper and this is the regular nylon coil zipper. Now the invisible zipper, the back where the zipper teeth is the reverse for this other nylon coil zipper. I don't know how to explain this. Okay, now this is the front for this. If you can see, this is where the zipper pull is, but for the invisible zipper, can you see where the zipper pull is? It is directly opposite. Can you see the difference? So this is the front for this invisible zipper and this is the front for the regular nylon coil zipper, like opposite of each other. It's just that the front for the invisible zipper is a bit neater than the back of the regular nylon coil zipper. Okay, I hope you were able to understand what I just said. Now we also have different sizes of the zipper teeth. Okay, now if you look at this, it is the same thing with this. This is a size 3, the zipper teeth. Now this one, I would say this is a size 5 of a zipper teeth. Okay, this is bigger than this and this. This is also a size 5. This is also a size 5. This size and this size are the same. Okay, of course we have bigger sizes up to 10 or even more, but this is a size 5, this is a size 5, this is a size 3. Okay, for the sizes, most jackets comes with a size 5. Most jackets use these sizes to, as a zipper. People use this size as a zipper for jackets, okay, while the size 3 are used for smaller closures. They are used for smaller closures, but mostly jackets and other coats, and size 5 are used for them. We also have the tape. Now the tape is these two sides of a zipper. This side and this side is a tape. Let me open this up for you people to see. Now this is a tape and this is a tape. The tape is a part of a zipper with the zipper teeth attached to. This zipper teeth is attached to the tape. So this is the tape, this is the zipper teeth. They come in different colors, they come in different materials too. Most times it comes in matching color with the zipper teeth. Now this is white. This is the zipper teeth, white zipper teeth. The zipper tape is white. Now in some, although most times it comes with a matching color with the zipper teeth, but of course you have where the zipper teeth can be different color from the zipper tape, like this one for example. This is like a mixture, a rainbow color of zipper teeth, while the zipper tape is red. Now this one is black, like you can see the zipper tape is black, while the zipper teeth is metal, that is golden color. All right, but this one has a matching color with the zipper teeth. It is gold and gold. It is important to note that the length of the zipper is measured by the length of the teeth and not the tape, okay. Now if you want to measure the length of this zipper, can you see that the tape is longer than the zipper teeth? So if you want to measure the length of this zipper, you measure it by the teeth, by the zipper teeth and not the tape. All right, because you can easily fold this in when you want to sew your fabric. You can easily fold this in, leaving these parts as the length of the zip. So you don't measure your zipper by the tape, you measure it by the zipper teeth. That is how you get to know the length of a zipper. All right, see another example. Can you see that the zipper tape for this one is also longer than the zipper teeth? Now this will take us to our zipper head and our zipper pull. Now this is a zipper head, and then this is a zipper pull. This is a zipper pull, this is a zipper head. There are a lot of qualities, designs, types of zipper heads and zipper pull, okay. Now you can see the zipper head for an invisible zipper, they are usually the same everywhere. They usually have this super minimal nail head, then they have also minimal string pull, very tiny, because they want it to be as light as possible. That is why it is called invisible zipper. By the time you put it in a dress, it looks like there is no zipper on that cloth. Like I said, there are different designs of zipper pull, although unfortunately I do not have examples of them here, but you can see that this zipper pull, can you see, is different from this. There are a lot of zipper pulls, different designs, different. In fact, there are some companies that usually even, you know, put their logo, they engrave their logo on the zipper pull. Big clothing companies usually customize their zipper pull. You can also do that if you want. You don't need to contact the company to do that for you. When you buy the zippers, like this one for example, you can actually attach a ribbon to this part. You can attach a ribbon and maybe have your logo on that ribbon. That will help customize the zipper for your brand. I think this is basically all about a zipper. This is what you should know about a zipper. So in summary of what I have said, I said we have the closed end zipper, we have the separating zippers, and then I also mentioned that we have different kinds of zipper teeth. We have different sizes of zipper teeth, and then I also differentiated between an invisible zipper and a regular nylon coil zipper. And I also said the zipper teeth can also come in metal, it can come in nylon coils, it can come in regular classic plastic. I do not have that, but I'm going to show you the picture on the screen. And then what else? So basically that is it about zippers. All right, so if you have any question you want to know, you want to find out about zippers, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be at the comment section waiting for you. All right, I hope you are able to learn one or two things from this video. If you have done that, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and kindly turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload another video. And if you are a new person on my channel, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. All right, this is the only way you support your girl. So I'll see you in my next video, but for now, stay confident. Bye bye.